Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Vodka FX, and thank you once more for tuning into our series, Forex for Beginners. If you are new to our channel and missed our first few videos, be sure to check those out. Now, I trust that you guys have taken action and downloaded the apps from our last video. Before we get into this video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. That is very important to us. Now, as the subtitle suggests, this video is about how to get started with Forex trading. So let's get into it. Now, the first step you need to consider is selecting a broker. And you can think of a broker like a financial institution, like a bank. So I'm in Jamaica, so I'll give examples. For example, National Commercial Bank, Bank of Nova Scotia, Jamaica National Bank, First Caribbean International Bank, along with the others we have out here. So those are examples of banks. But for Forex trading, there are some institutions, Forex institutions, that we can use as our broker. So let's look at those. So here's a few I went ahead and listed. The first one is xm.com. The second broker we have here is FX Pro, and you can just Google these names and their website will populate for you. Tradersway.com. Tradersway is the broker I started off trading with when I just started a year ago. I signed it up with Tradersway.com, but I am currently using FX Pro. You also have KOT Forex. This is a new broker on the block, but I have seen many good reviews for users who are within the United States. They actually have very good reviews about the brokers and how they operate and stuff like that. Next one is IC Markets. Now, IC Markets, if you are in the United States, they do restrict United States users, so you will not be able to use this platform if you are in the United States. But if you're anywhere else in the world, Jamaica, Antigua, London, Antarctica, you can definitely use IC Markets. And I went ahead and listed 6 of them. So the last one we have here is OANDA. I'm not sure about their brokerage system. I just know of it. Actually, one of my friends uses it, but I don't have much idea of how they operate. And then there are a lot of other brokers. You can always do your own research. You can always Google. But for now, I have used Tradersway in the past, but now I am currently using FX Pro. Now, let's go through the steps you should take in setting up your account. Firstly, you have to select a broker. Now, I do encourage you to do your own research to know which broker is suitable for you. Some brokers, they give restrictions depending on the country that you're in. So you have to do your research. They have different options for depositing money and for withdrawing money. So do your research and see which broker is for you. As some brokers, they give you options in depositing money through international wire transfer or Skrill or credit card, debit card. There are options, but you have to know which broker is suitable for you. So after selecting your broker, you have to sign up. Signing up is easy, but make sure you use the correct information. That is using information that is on your passport or your driver's license or on your national ID. So your name and your date of birth, just as you have it on these documents, that's how you will sign up on the website. This is because they will ask you to verify your identity. So in verifying your identity, you will have to upload a scanned copy of either your passport, driver's license, or national ID for them to verify it. Along with that, they will ask you to what is it? They will ask you to, oh my God, I forgot this step. They will ask you to verify your address. So you'll have to send them a bank statement or a utility bill or a phone bill, whatever it is that you have your address on. Some brokers, they actually do take your driver's license as a proof of address. So you could do that if you have a driver's license. But that is a process in itself. You can skip this process and go on to step 3 in creating a demo account once you have signed up, because the verification process, it does take like a day or 2 to get verified. So create a demo account and fund that demo account and log into the demo account on the Mt4 app. You will need to practice on the Mt4 app before you actually put your real money on your broker account to start trading. So practice in the demo account before you go on your live account. So for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and recorded my screen on my iPhone to show you guys how to get into the Mt4 app. So for my sake, I have all my trading apps in one folder. I have my Mt4, my Telegram, my Trading View, and my call levels. In the Telegram app, this is where I communicate with other traders within the Forex market. This is where we have all our analysis and potential setups within the market. This is where we discuss all of these. So in the Mt4 app, on this page, you will click New Account. This is where you go to log into the Mt4 app. You will click log into an existing account and not open a demo account. This is because you already opened the demo account with the broker, so you have to log into an existing account. Once you click there, you will search for the broker that you selected in the search bar right there. So I went ahead and searched for FX Pro and all the others that I mentioned before, just to show you that they are all listed on the Mt4 app, and you can choose whichever one you prefer. So there you have Traders Way, KOT Forex, IC Markets, and for whichever broker you chose, they would have sent you an email with the login credentials. So they would have sent you the server that you should log on with, the username, and also the password. And this is the final one. So after successfully logging in, you would go to the codes, which is the first tab at the bottom. And you remember, I am recording this with my iPhone. So this is the page where you will find all your currency pairs. You have a number of them, and you also have Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies here. So this is ECN with all the different pairs. This is energies, you have gas and oil. This is metals, gold and silver. Crypto, you have Bitcoin, LTC, and a few of them, and then you have Bitcoin ECN. So this is where you go to click which one of the pairs you want. The second tab is your chart. Similar to the Mt4 for desktop, they do have a chart here that you can just see what is happening in the market. You can also make your analysis from there. At the top left-hand corner of the page where you see M15, these are the different time frames you can click on to view the chart on. So you have the minute chart, the 5-minute chart, 15-minute and 30-minute charts, the 1-hour chart, the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart, and also the monthly. So you can click on whichever one you want to use and view the chart on these time frames. At the top here, you have different indicators where you're seeing that plus sign, that F, and that little symbol. These are where you find different indicators to use while in the app. And these are the different indicators you can learn to use on your app. So now the third tab is where you will have all your active trades and your pending orders that you have put in. So once you enter a trade, it will show up here, and I will go ahead and enter one for you just to show you what it looks like. So I went ahead and clicked trade. I entered for a buy for UJ, and this is what it looks like. So I went to the codes, clicked on trade, and then I entered for a sell for GU. And then I went to quotes again, clicked on trade. Did I not? No, I added gold. Oopsie, the gold market is closed right now because it's currently 4:53 p.m. So I went ahead and entered GC. And you find all these pairs in your quotes. Of course, I'm making a loss because I did not analyze any of these charts. For the sake of these videos, I'm just showing you how to enter the trade. So now I will go on to show you how to close these trades. So you can close, modify, and you can also view the charts. And you can also tell when you want to close by. You can also swipe on the currency pair. You can swipe to the left, and it will also give the same options. The first one is close, the second one, the pencil, is modify, the plus one is add a new trade, and the third one is charts. And I just went ahead and closed these trades so we can go on to the fourth tab. Which is history. So now you see that I uploaded $50,000 on this account, and then these are the trades that I just closed. So I made a loss today of $22.50, and it also deducted from my balance there. So you see what my balance is, and then that is the settings. Also, in the settings tab, you have news, you have your mailbox, you have chat and messages, you have charts, and you also have your journal. So this is Mt4 app for you. Pretty simple, pretty easy to maneuver. Once you get used to it, you should be fine using this app all on your own. Trading view. We have come to the end of our video. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Just hit that little subscription button for us. We will really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And also, if you are so kind enough to share this video, we will really appreciate it. Please stay tuned to our next video in our Forex for Beginners series, where we will explain key terms within Forex. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.